everybody, I'm Samantha Bhansali, a second year student of IT department of Meghnad Shah Institute of Technology. I want to thank all the teachers and faculty members of our department who have ensured that even during this pandemic, our studies get affected in no way. They are regularly taking online classes, providing us with lecture videos, YouTube links, notes, and along with this, they are also providing us with webinar invitations so that we can make the best out of this lockdown period. I want to thank them once again.
Hello everybody, I'm Devmalo Nag from IT Department second year of Meghnad Shah Institute of Technology. As we all know that we are going through tough and uncertain times and the country is in state of a lockdown because of this global pandemic coronavirus. But even in these tough situations, our professors have made sure that our academic lessons are carried out consistently through online video classes, video lectures, assignments, PDFs, and being just one call away in case of a doubt. Besides our academic lessons, we are also getting necessary information about online training courses so that we can utilize this lockdown period in the best possible way. I would like to thank all my professors for their unconditional support and for ensuring that we are kept up to date with our academics even in these testing times. Thank you so much.
Hey everyone, I am Kamran Singh from IT second year. As we all are going through this unprecedented novel COVID-19 situation, things are getting massively affected, but I am very thankful to all of my professors who are doing tremendous work from providing the lectures to the internal assessment for all of us amidst this crisis. Hope we will overcome this too. This shall too pass. Once again, thanks to the departments for their tirelessly effort. Stay home, stay healthy.
Hello everyone, I am Anisha Sarkar, IT department, second year. As we all know that the world is now in a state of crisis and we are yet to know when this is all going to end. So today I take this opportunity to thank my professors, my department and the entire college who are trying their level best to bring a level of normalcy into our lives. The continuous assessments, the assignments, quizzes and the lectures that we are being provided and the classes we are attending online are helping us to keep our minds off the current scenario and regain a little bit of the momentum that we had before in our lives. I promise to cooperate with them till all of this is over and we overcome this situation and even afterwards. Thank you.
Hello everyone, my name is Akash and I am from IT second year of Meghnad Shah Institute of Technology. So first of all, I would like to thank every department sir or every faculty member for helping us in this pandemic situation. They giving us online classes and sending all the study material. So thank to every faculty member and every department sir. Thank you. Be safe and stay home, stay good.
Hello, my name is Rohit and I am a student of IT department second year Meghnad Shah Institute of Technology. I just want to thank all the teachers and the faculty members of our college because they are doing a lot for every student in such a pandemic situation. They are just like our parents who wants every student keep growing and growing in every situation. So they are providing links for us, study material and whatever they can do, they're trying their best. So a big salute to all the teachers and this faculty member because they're solving every problem of the students. Stay home, stay safe. Thank you.
Hello everyone, my name is Anindo Kayal. I am a student of IT second year of Meghnad Shah Institute of Technology. As we all know, the whole world is going through a very hard situation due to the novel COVID-19 virus. Almost the whole country is in a lockdown situation. I would like to thank my teachers who are providing us of all sorts of notes, online lectures and online classes in this pandemic situation. They are doing everything to continue our study without any problem. Once again, I would like to thank our teachers.
Hello everyone, this is Polas Dash. I am from IT second year of Meghnad Shah Institute of Technology. I am making this video to thank all of our teachers that they are giving their valuable time behind us to cover up whole of syllabus. They are taking sessions using Google Meet, then Zoom, and also giving us assignments via Google Classroom so that we can easily cover up our whole syllabus. Not only syllabus, they are giving links of many professional courses so that we can utilize this time to make us more technically built and more technically efficient So I would like to thank all of our teachers and thank you for your effort. Thank you.
Hello, hi everyone. I am Adit Anjan, IT second year from Meghnad Science Institute of Technology. I would like to thank our college, our teachers, our department and all other faculty members for supporting us immensely. They provide us online video lectures, YouTube videos and links and all other study materials through Google Meet and Zooms. And I hope the situation will be normal soon. And I also request you to all please strictly follow the rule and regulations of the COVID-19 given by the HRD Ministry of India. Thank you.